Gold against US dollar this week has made some kind of a movement to the upper side. We can see it here. The price has made a small breakout with this bullish candle, and it has continued to rise in value up to 2048 price level. And then on a Thursday, the price made a breakout where the price even reached 2065, very close to resistance level at 2072. This is a supply zone. But then we can see on a Friday the price returned back down. So on the Thursday we had a bullish breakout to the upper side above 2048, but the next candle has returned back down inside these range areas, which means this breakout was failed. So what is currently on the market? The price is still inside this resistance 2048 and support 2016. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this was a bullish candle where the price has bounced from 2016, and then price tried to reach 2072, the first resistance on the weekly time frame. But the price is currently in between these two price levels, which means it's pretty unclear what could happen on the market, but we'll see that on the lower time frame. For now, we can see that the previous month has ended as a bearish one, where the price has closed below but did not go below 2035, which is a very important level on the monthly time frame. So based on this one, what we can see and what we can expect in this month, it's very hard to make a decision. But if the price goes on lower from 2035, it will mean that the price will try to move to the lower levels, and that is around 1992. If the price goes above 2072, we can see that the next level where the price will stop is 2134. But what we can see currently on the market, because of the bearish candle in the previous month, there is a very critical level here that needs to be broken. And in order to make that happen, we should see how this looks on the weekly and also daily time frame. Weekly time frame currently, what is suggesting there is still bearish pressure, and also we have seen only a bullish bounce from this support level. So this could mean that this selling pressure that has been triggered on the Friday, this is pushing the price even more down. So it will be very unclear currently on the weekly time frame where the price could go. But if we go on the daily, this will be much more clear. Based on the daily analysis, what I can see, the price will try to move even more down the next week because of this failed bearish bullish breakout that did not been successful at 2048. So I'm expecting that the price will drop down, and the first critical level is 2028 that needs to be broken on the daily time frame. We can see that the price had problems making higher price movements above this one, but also this will mean that the price will try to move to the lower side. So if the price goes down, the first level that the price needs to break is this one, smaller one, 2028, but the biggest one on the daily is 2016, which is holding the price for a very long time. Based on this one, I'm expecting the price will drop in value, so we'll see what happens on a Monday, because if the price returns down even more or returns back up, this will also suggest different movements. If something happens, any kind of movement next week, for example a bearish breakout here at this one level or the bullish again on this one, I will share that inside the trading community. The link will be below in the description, so if you would like to join and also check the daily analysis, what happens on the market when something happens, feel free to check that. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.